Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system. This protects components and you. Once safe, open the case and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Identify the front panel lead. Look for a labeled HD audio connector or a cluster of small wires ending in a keyed plastic plug. Make sure you can read the label and consult the motherboard manual to find the exact HD audio header location before proceeding. This prevents miswiring and saves time. You now align the front panel plug to the motherboard header. First, locate pin 1 marker and the missing pin slot on the connector. Once done, orient the keyed plug so the blocked pin matches the empty hole. Do not force it. Gently press straight down until it clicks or feels seated. Make sure the cable runs clear of fans and won't snag, and secure it with a tie if needed. This ensures a solid electrical contact and reduces noise from vibration. You finish by closing the case and powering up. Make sure the BIOS recognizes onboard audio and that front panel HD audio is enabled. Then boot to your OS and install the proper audio drivers. Test using headphones in the front jack and play audio to confirm. If you get no sound, first power down and reseat the connector, ensuring correct orientation. Also check BIOS settings and reinstall drivers. That single troubleshooting step, reseating and confirming header type, fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.